Hello everybody, this is Mr. Avila. A little shout out to Jade with this question on limits. We're trying to find the limit as h approaches 0 of the square root of 7 times a plus h minus square root of 7a all over h. And whenever we're dealing with limits, the very first thing we want to try to do is we want to try direct substitution. Now a limit does it mean that we're going to plug in 0 in for h? That's not what it means. We're trying to plug in numbers close to 0. But our first strategy is to actually plug in a 0 for h. But again, that's not what it means. It means we're trying to find the value of this expression as h approaches 0. But again, our original strategy, our first strategy is to use direct substitution. So I let that h equals 0, that top one up here becomes a 0. And then we end up with just square root of 7a minus square root of 7a divided by 0. Square root of 7a minus square root of 7a is 0. And 0 over 0 is an indeterminate form. Indeterminate. I ran out of room there. An indeterminate form, and therefore we don't know. We don't know. There could be a limit. We're not sure. So we're gonna have to try another method. Okay, let's try another method.